Hey everyone, this is a quick video showing you how to make hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer. This will work with any air fryer. This one's just a Ninja one, and here's how you do it. So turn the air fryer on. You want to get it started so it can preheat before you put the eggs in. We'll start with heating up to 300 degrees is the right temperature. So get it started and just let it heat up for a minute or two. I'll come back in a minute. Okay, preheat is done. Time to put the eggs in. So you just want to space them out. Don't overfill the basket where they're stacked on top of each other. But I'm going to do 6 eggs for this first one. If they're crowded, they probably won't cook evenly. So put them on. 300 degrees is what we're going to stay at. I find that 12 minutes is the correct amount to get hard-boiled eggs. At 300 degrees, 12 minutes, hit start. And we'll come back to take them out when they're done. 12 minutes is done, time to take the eggs out. So just grab them with tongs and then put them in ice and let them cool off. Let them cool off and then you're ready to eat them. And that's how you make hard-boiled eggs in an air fryer.